Hi, in this video I will show you how to create your application form. So once people have clicked on your vacancy page that they want to apply, they land in the application form, which you can create and edit in the menu of the application form. And this is the final step in creating your campaign. So as you can see, there's already some basic questions in the questionnaire, such as name and contact details, but also the field of study, work experience, and some language skills and some other additional information. There's also the question that allows people to upload their resume. So as you can see, this question is not required. So that means that people can move on in the application form without uploading their resume. And this is because a lot of people have the application form on their phone when they fill it out. And that's the place where many people do not have the resume ready to upload. So we advise you to make this not required. Of course, if you really want to and you really need a CV, you can make that required. If candidates do not provide a CV, they will get an automatic email after they have applied, which asks them to submit their CV anyways, so that they can do at a later moment, but you at least have their application. As I said, many people answer the application form on their phone, and therefore we recommend to keep the application form as short as possible because a long form will not provide the greatest candidate experience as possible. So really limited to the essentials which help you to screen the candidates, and more advanced questions about their motivation and goals in their career. I would suggest you to ask them over the phone or in a first face-to-face conversation. So within the application form, you also have the opportunity to change, add, or delete any of the questions. But however, there are some questions that are required to ask. For example, name and contact details. Otherwise, we cannot receive their candidacy. But let's say you do not find it interesting in which field of study someone has studied, you can just delete it here. But you may be interested in what kind of coffees, for example, people are used to making, and you can add a question here. In what coffees are you specialized? This may be very useful, for example, also when you require your candidate to have a driving license or a certain technical certificate that they really must need in order to proceed in the application procedure. So you may also want to change the order by dragging the questions up or down. And this will also give you some flexibility to create a form that has a logical flow for you and the candidate. Also, if you would like, you can update any of the questions so that you will use your own wording. For example, if you would like to change it to after which date can you start, you can update the question here and then also make sure to hit save. At the top right, you can also select the more advanced option to choose a specific logo. This will be used on the landing page of the application form, and you can choose your logo here. Yes, and then you're all set to proceed to launching your campaign, which I will show you in a separate video.